Can federal jurisdiction be waived? Have you ever wondered if federal jurisdiction can be waived? This question is essential for anyone navigating the legal world, especially in law school. Let's break it down in simple terms. Federal jurisdiction is the power of federal courts to hear cases. It mainly involves two types: subject matter jurisdiction and personal jurisdiction. Subject matter jurisdiction is about the court's authority to hear a specific type of case, like those involving federal questions or diversity of citizenship. Personal jurisdiction, on the other hand, is about the court's authority over the parties involved in the case. Now, can you waive these jurisdictions? The answer is yes, but it varies between the two types. Personal jurisdiction can be waived. This happens when a party, usually the defendant, gives up their right to challenge the court's authority over them. This waiver can be explicit, like when parties agree in a contract to a specific court, or it can be implicit. For instance, if a defendant participates in the case without raising any objections to personal jurisdiction, they may be seen as having waived that right. This means they cannot later argue that the court did not have authority over them. On the flip side, subject matter jurisdiction cannot be waived. This is a fundamental rule in federal courts. If a court lacks subject matter jurisdiction, any decision it makes is void. This can be challenged at any time, even after a case is over. The reason is that subject matter jurisdiction is about the court's constitutional or statutory authority to hear a case. This authority cannot be given up by the parties involved. In law school, understanding the difference between these two types of jurisdiction is vital. Students learn that defendants must quickly assert defenses related to personal jurisdiction or risk waiving that right. This often involves filing a motion to dismiss early in the legal process. Additionally, you will find that jurisdiction and waiver clauses are common in contracts. These clauses allow parties to agree in advance to submit disputes to a specific federal court and waive any objections to that court's jurisdiction. This practice helps streamline the litigation process and avoids delays caused by jurisdictional challenges. To sum it up, personal jurisdiction can be waived by parties through consent or by not raising objections in time. However, subject matter jurisdiction is a different story. It cannot be waived. Courts must always ensure they have the proper authority to proceed with a case. This distinction is a key topic in federal civil procedure courses and is essential for anyone studying law.